Students, welcome to Max Me Education online classes. Today our topic addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. This is also important topic. Okay. So first we are going for addition and subtraction like fraction. Then after go for unlike fractions. First like fraction I am taking 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. Two like fractions. So how can we say like fractions? If denominators are equal, they are like fraction. So we are adding, that is equal to 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8, that is equal to 5 plus 3, 8 by 8. That's enough. So if denominators are equal, just simply have to add, that is a numerator. Take another one example. 3 by 11, 8 by 11, 4 by 11. Add. We are adding. So first I have to do addition. So what I have to do? Write denominator as it is. Simple add numerators. 3 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. That is equal to 315 by 11. This is addition of like fractions. Okay. Next, we are going for the unlike fractions. Like fractions, subtractions. Next, like fractions, subtraction. For example, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We are doing subtraction. Simple. 3 minus 2 by 5. So, whenever denominators are equal, just whatever operation have to do on numerator. 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. Okay. Next, 6 by 8 and 4 by 8. So first you have to add, then after minus 3 by 8. This is one subtraction. Here addition and subtraction both are there. Just for your understanding, I am taking same numbers and a big number of the same method only. So first you have to write denominator 8. Next 6 plus 4 minus 3. That is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 by 8. That is equal to 7 by 8. This is for like fractions. If we are going for the unlike fractions, this is a little bit of confuse. Same like that only. Comparison of fractions, how we are following, same method only. We are following for unlike fractions. Okay? Right. Next. Unlike fraction, unlike fractions. How we are doing unlike fractions? Additions. Okay. For example, I have to take 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. These are two fractions. We are do addition because both are unlike, because denominators are not equal. Just we are doing additions. So find LCM of first denominator, that is equal to 6 comma 5. So first 2 3 are 5. So 3 and 5 both are different prime numbers. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 30. Okay, 30 is LCM. Now these 30, okay, now this 30 into this denominator. Okay, observe here. 30 by 6, that is equal to 5. Okay, next, these 30 by 5, 5 anja, 5 6. Okay, these coefficient into this numerator. Okay, how we are to writing? Simple. Otherwise, how to do another method, same method, simple like comparison only. So first these coefficient into numerator and denominator, that is equal to 5 into 5, 6 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Next 4. 4 into 6, 5 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now both are like fractions. That is equal to 24 by 30 plus 25 by 30 plus 24 by 30, that is equal to 49 by 30. Okay, this is addition of fractions. Okay, right. Next, so find the sum of 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14 plus 3 by 8. So they are unlike fractions. We have to change into like fraction, then after find the sum. Simple, find LCM 7, 14 and 8. First I am taking 2. So 7 is not in table, 2 table, that I had write 7. 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. Next again you have to write 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 4 as it is. Next again I am taking 2. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 2 into 2. It's because 1 into something, that's something. That's why I am not taking 1 only. Okay, that is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. 56 is LCM. Next, how we are doing addition? First, these 56 by these 7. 56 by 7. Okay, 7. 7 8 ja 56. Okay, next. Again, 14. 56 by 14. 14 4 ja 56. Over. Next, 8. 56 by 8. I am taking divide with only denominators only. 8 7 ja 56. Next, how to do additions? Simple method. Previous method also okay. Now this is. What is the LCM? Write LCM 56. Next, 8 into 3. 8 into 3 plus 4 into 5 or 5 into 4. Both are same. Don't be confused. Next, 7 into 3. 7 into 3. Okay? That is equal to 56. 8 3 ja 24. 5 4 ja 20. 21. 7 3 ja 21. Now we are add 24 plus 20 plus 21. 5. That is equal to 65. That is equal to 65 by 56. This is for addition of fractions. Okay. Next we are going for the other problem. Subtraction. Same like that only we have to going for subtraction only. 5 and 10 LCM. 5 comma 10 LCM. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. LCM is equal to 10. Okay. Same process. Next. 10 by 5 that is equal to 2. 10 by 10 that is equal to 1. Right. Next, subtraction. First to 10. 2 into these 2 into this denominator. Because we are using this denominator, that's why this coefficient into 8. 4 into 2 minus 1 into 3. 1 into 3. That is equal to 10 as it is. 4 to ja 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 by 10. This is subtraction only. Same addition like we are going for the subtractions. Okay. Next, again one. For example, if you are take mixed fractions also, same method only you have to mixed fraction you have to change into improper. So for example, other 7 plus 3 by 6. 7 plus 3 by 6. How we are to doing addition? Addition or subtraction? Same method only. So first 7 you have to write 7 by 1. So whenever an integer, this particular an integer, either in negative or positive, either is in negative or positive. So these into this. 7 6 are 7 6 are 7 into 6 minus plus 1 into 3 by 6 into 1 or 6. 6 1 ja 6. 7 6 ja 42 minus 3 plus 3 by 8. 42 that is equal to 45 by 6. Okay. Whenever you have integer, either this side or this side, no problem. First you have to this denominator into this 1 into 3. Then you have to do as it is following method. If you have minus, how we are following? Same. How to take 7 minus 3 by 6. So I write 7. You have to write 7 by 1 6. 7 6 ja 42 minus 3 1 ja 3. That is equal to 42 minus 3 39 by 6. Okay. This is integers. Okay. Next we are going for the next problem. Solve 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12 minus 1 by 6. This is a mixed. Plus and minus both are there. How we are solve? First find LCM of 8, 12 and 6. Whenever I have to do addition or subtraction of unlike fraction, first that is a primary thing, that is a find LCM. That is equal to 8, 12 LCM. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Next again I am taking 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 as it is because 2 3 is not able. Next I am taking 3. 2 as it is, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. So t is a prime number. I am stopping here. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. That is equal to 24. 24 is LCM. Okay. Next. So these 24 into this denominator. 24 by 8. 8 3 ja 24. These 24 by 12. 24 by 12. That is equal to 2. Next to 24 by 6. 6 4 ja 24. Or got this. Next we are finding sum of this production. Sum of the fraction. That is equal to 24 as it is. Right, 24 because 24 is LCM. These 3 into this 5. 5 into 3 plus I am writing here plus, that's why I am writing plus. Next 2 into 7 or 7 into 2, both are same, don't be confused. Minus because here a minus there, that's why I am writing minus. 4 into 1 or 1 into 4. Okay. That is equal to 24. 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 7 ja 14 minus 4. Okay. Next 15. 14 minus 4 you have to write 10 by 25. So 24. That is equal to 25 by 24. This is a improper fraction. If I stop here, otherwise I have to change into mixed fraction also. 25 by 24. 24 1 ja 24, 1 is remainder. So I have to write 1 mixed 1 by 24. This is the solution. 1 mixed 1 by 24. 1 mixed 1 by 24. This is for addition and subtraction of the fractions. Next another one example. Okay. Right. So simplify or solve, both are same only. 3 mixed 1 by 6 minus 2 mixed 1 by 4 plus 4 mixed 1 by 3 plus 2. We have to solve. How I am telling. First you have to change into improper. 18 plus 1, that is equal to 19 by 6. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 plus 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 plus 2 by 1. Now I am going to find LCM of 3, 6, 4, 3. So LCM 6, 4, 3. 3 2 ja 6, 4 as it is, 3 1 ja 3. Next again I am writing 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 12. That is equal to 12. Okay. Now, these 12 into next, these 12 by this denominator, 12 by 6, that is equal to 2. These 12 by this denominator, 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. 12 by 3, that is equal to 4. 12 by 1, that is equal to 12. Now, final, that is equal to LCM is 24. These 2 into these 19 or 19 into 2, both are same, minus, that's why I am writing minus. Next, 3 9s are 3 into 9 plus 4 into 13, 4 into 13, here plus, that's why I am writing plus. 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, that is equal to 24, I am writing 19 2s are 38 minus 27 plus 13 4s are 52, 13 4s are 52 plus 24. Now I have to add place. First I have to subtraction. Here begins, that's why I do 38 minus 27, 11 plus 52 plus 24 by 20, sorry, not 12, LCM is 12 only, by mistake I write, LCM is 12, okay, right. Next, 11 plus 52 plus 24, that is equal to 7, that is equal to 8, that is equal to 87 by 12. Okay, so 11 plus 52 plus 24, so 7, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 87. So now we have to change mixed fraction, 87 12s are, so 12 7s are 80, that is equal to 3. Therefore, answer is equal to 7. Therefore, 87 by 12 is equal to 7 mixed 3 by 12. 7 mixed 3 by 12. Okay, this is answer. Okay, thanks. Next problem we are going. Right. 7 minus 2 mixed 1 by 5 minus 1 mixed 3 by 10. How we have to solve? Okay, first 7 you have to write 7 by 1. Next, minus 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 5 minus as it is 2, 10 1 ja 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 10. So now these are the unlike fraction. Find LCM, that is equal to 5 and 10, because one LCM is always that number only, so we are not consider 1. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, therefore LCM is equal to 10. 5 2 ja 10, direct I am writing. Now this 10 into this denominator, 10 by 1 is equal to 10 over. Next, this 10 into this denominator, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Next, 10 by 10 is equal to 1. 10 by 10 is equal to 1 over. One step is over. Next, this 10 into this 7. So first I have to write LCM is 10, I am writing. So LCL already wrote 10. Next, 10 into this numerator, this coefficient into this term. 7 10 ja 70. Here is given minus. If is given minus, you have to write minus. Plus means plus. Minus. 2 11 ja 22. 2 into 11. Okay, for your understanding, right? Okay, 2 into next 3 into 1. 13 ones are 13. Okay. 70 minus 35. 22 plus 13. 22 plus 13, that is equal to 35 by 10. 10 I am writing as it is. 70 minus 35, that is equal to 35 by 10. This is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. How to change into improper? How I am changing? 35, 10. 10 3s are 35. That is equal to 35 by 30. Answer if you are given proper, improper also no problem. So if you are asking mixing, they have to 3 mixed 5 by 10. Okay. This is for addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video. And again I am adding some question and also same we have this video. How to watch this video and solve that problems. Okay. Thank you students. Thanks for watching my MaxMe education. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. In exercise 5, first bit, that is a 1A to I write their problems and solve it. Now I am giving answers. Okay. These are the answers of exercise 5 first bit. So 1 to I have to write down, solve and check yourself only. Right. Exercise 5D also. In 5D have 12 and again and 24, total 24 problems you have. So these 24 you have to solve. Now I am showing answer also. Wait. So these are the answers of 5D. So better to practice yourself. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video.